What is up guys, this is me Nascent. For today's video, mag-i-install lang tayo ng additional part or replacement sa motor natin na si Charlotte. So, natapos na kasi natin yung mga upgrades na nilalagay natin for this bike or what I think is necessary for me and for the bike. So, ang mga in-install natin na yan ay ang crash guard niya, engine guard, then yung center panel, yung bracket natin para sa top box, which is adjustable, kamukha nung kay Trupa, Motodeck, and siya rin naman kasi yung naging inspiration natin for this. Windshield na nilagay natin to protect the cage panel. It definitely looks good din naman. Another additional lang pala kasi phone mount natin. Brand ng top box natin is Neura, 25 liters alloy top box. Medyo may kabigatan siya, yes. Na-accomplish na natin yung ilang mga upgrades na yon. So, we will be moving on sa mga upgrades naman na necessary para sa performance ng bike. And this is an upgrade for this specific part. Ginagawa natin for this series is yung mga parts na kung saan nag-cheap out ang Yamaha ay ina-upgrade natin. And hindi naman kasi natin may iiwasan na mag-cheap out ang isang manufacturer sa isang bike. Syempre, maghahanap sila for certain points that they can be cutting the cost para maibigay nila sa consumer ang bike sa magandang presyo. And it is our duty na lang to upgrade this several parts. Ito siya, bali link lang siya, gear shift lever natin. Ang ginamit kasi ng Yamaha for this one, itong piece of metal lang. Basta isang bakal lang siya, and tingnan niyo yung pagka-install niya. Medyo wobbly. Kapalitan natin ng link. Okay, so para sa installation natin sa part na ito, I think ilang mga tools lang ang kailangan natin, specifically Allen tool and then 10mm. Yes, 10mm na socket or open wrench, pwede naman. And para pantanggal lang sa mga clips na ito, safety pins, kailangan mo lang ng needle nose pliers or kahit regular pliers lang. So, start with the upgrade. And so, ito siya. This is the stock part na nasa bike natin. We'll be replacing it with this one para matanggal yung mga pagka-sluggish niya o yung pagka-loose niya na feeling. Okay, so the part is already adjusted. Nakasukat naman siya for the length ng mismong replacement, which is 3 inch, I think, base. Oh, yan. So masakto naman siya sa mismong length niya, pero syempre we'll still be checking the fitment niya, kung okay naman ba o kung hindi ba siya tumaas or bumaba. So I think that's fine, and that's the normal height lang din niya. So next step na lang is to tighten the bolts. Higpitan na natin siya to secure its fixture. For this one, we would be needing to sit down. Okay, so that already feels like parang mas snappy. Snappy na siya compared dun sa isang lumang link. And yan, maririnig mo naman siya na nawala yung pagka-sluggish niya. So let's check it na lang kung okay siya. Okay yung takbo, okay siyang manakbo. So we'll be taking Charlotte out later para sa isang test drive. So, that's the quick install lang. Literal na mabilis lang siya, napalitan. And, ayun lang. I-test drive lang natin sa labas and then it's good. After bolting it in and testing it out, just a few minor adjustments lang naman yung kinailangan niya. Kasi, yung mga washers niya kailangan pala nilang hindi evenly spaced. Sila sa kung aling part siya nakalagay. Yung part kasi will be needing 2 to 3 spacers para hindi siya sumasayad sa mismong assembly ng ating shifter. So that's it. After a few additional iterations or adjustments lang sa mismong shifter natin, and after another test drive, mas smooth yun compared sa stock one. That concludes the vlog for today. That's it. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos, and more videos ahead. Thank you.